Hey guys, welcome to the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith's channel. Today we're going to make carrot cake roll. I make pumpkin rolls all the time and they are delicious, just saying. So we're going to try it with the carrot cake. And normally you roll them up as they're cooling, but I'm going to leave it flat like I do my pumpkin rolls and we're going to see how it works. If it fails, it'll still taste good, but we're going to give it a try. I've never done it before. So here we go. First off, we're going to put in 3 eggs.
She ain't scared.
Sometimes I am, but I know it's going to taste good, so it's just a matter of whether you're going to eat it rolled up or if you're going to eat it like flat.
Either way, it'll taste good.
Yeah. Wow, that egg was tough. So there's 2. We're going for 1 more. Okay. We're going to give these a good mixing up first, and then we're going to put some sugar in. We're going to whip them up.
Whip it. Whip it good.
This is a good Easter dessert. I should have put it up earlier. You know, I run behind sometimes.
Well, we've had a lot going on.
All right, so now I'm going to put in a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and 1/2 cup of white sugar going in. As these roll cakes are so easy to make and they look pretty. So let's crank this baby up, get this all going. Okay, and then we need to get our carrots ready. So we're going to do 2 cups of shredded carrots. And we're going to do those and we'll be right back. All right, so now we've gone to do the dry ingredients. So I have 3/4 cup all-purpose flour here. I have 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Make sure you get it all out there. And 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. And a teaspoon of cinnamon. Quarter teaspoon of nutmeg. 1/4 teaspoon of ginger. And guys, if you don't have ginger, not everybody keeps that. Just omit it. Just use a little bit more cinnamon if you want, or nutmeg. It's not going to matter because not everybody keeps it. I never did keep ginger in my spices until Billy did. So, and then a 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
I love me some ginger.
So mix that all together. I don't think a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger is going to make that bit of difference if you don't have it. Stuff on me. And of course on there. So we're going to put in a couple teaspoons of vanilla or thereabouts, whatever. Okay. I do have it all over me. I know better, huh? Mix that all up. And then we're going to pour in our 2 cups of carrots. And we're just going to stir these in. And if you want walnuts at this point, this is where you put them in. And I'd say you probably do, won't you?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So let's get some walnuts chopped up. We'll be right there. All right. I put in about a 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup of walnuts in here, okay? And then we're just going to stir this up. It's starting to look like carrot cake. I haven't had carrot cake for a long time. Need to make some carrot cake bars because those sound yummy too. It was between that or the carrot cake roll today, so we did the roll. Got a jelly roll pan here, 10 by 15, parchment paper, and we're going to spray it.
Just cause.
Just cause. I usually don't, but we're doing it this time because I've never made the carrot cake on it before. So we're just going to pour that out on here. Nice orangey color.
Mmm. It looks good.
And then we're going to bake this for 10 to 12 minutes at 350 degrees. Get this all spread out evenly on here. I'll get my sleeve in it.
Try not to.
I'm trying not to.
Oh, that looks good. Got my mouth watering already.
Oh, yeah.
Ice cold glass of milk. Mm.
All right, we're going in 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. We'll be right back. All right, guys, I took it out of the oven at 11 minutes. This is what it looks like. I've got my cooling rack here. I am just going to slide this right off onto that, and we'll let that cool, and we'll make the icing, and we'll show you what's going on. All right, guys, we're going to make some filling. I have 8-ounce block of cream cheese, a half a stick of butter, and a teaspoon of vanilla. We're going to mix that up real quick. Nice and soft. Like I said, it's 80-some degrees here today. All nice room temperature. Although I had the cream cheese sitting outside for a little bit, and I thought, ooh, I better go get that. I'll have liquid. It's hot out there. Okay, so then I have 2 cups of powdered sugar, and we're just going to go ahead and put that in there. Oops, maybe. Let's start with that much first. The carrot cake is cool, so we're getting ready to put it together, see what we can do. Guys, if you ever make one of these before, let me know how you like it. Like I said, this is the first one that I've made. And guys, please share our content and get us out there. YouTube changed up their stuff, and we're not hardly getting any views anymore. I don't know what's going on, but for the last couple months, it's been really down. It's getting us down a little bit, but we love doing it, so we're not stopping anytime soon. All right. All right, we're going to spread our filling on here. You don't want to go all the way to the edge so it doesn't ooze out. Save you a little room right there. Spread this out a little bit. He just fixed a cup of coffee. You might have heard it brewing there. He's ready.
Mouth is watering.
All right. So we got a little room on all around here, all 4 sides. All right, let's see if we can roll this up. I think we're going to be able to do it. Roll the first one real tight. Look at that. Let me get a platter, and we'll sprinkle some powdered sugar on top. All right, I got it on the platter. Let's sprinkle some powdered sugar on top. All right, let's give it a try. cut a piece here so you can see what the inside looks like. Look at that.
Yum.
All right, let's give it a try. I mean, how can it be wrong? It's bad, right?
It's got to be good.
That's dangerous for me right there. That is so good. I think I like that better than the pumpkin roll.
Wow, that's saying something.
I mean, it's so easy to make. Except for you have to chop up your carrots, but, you know.
That was nothing.
You put them in there and crank. You got it.
That's easy to do.
Look how pretty that is.
Look, we even got veggies in it now.
Yeah, so you can say it's good.
It's a veggie roll.
It's good for you. Oh, man. I wasn't going to eat any just to sample. Oh, I'm eating the rest of this piece now. We got to put that in the freezer. We will both be working on that.
Mm-hmm. That's not going nowhere.
All right, guys. Like us, comment, share us.
Subscribe us.
Subscribe to us. Do all the good stuff, please. And help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith show. Peace out, guys. Carrot cake roll. Oh, yum.
Sounds so good.